Hi guys, how are you? Let's continue the discrete mathematics series and we covered till the 9.3 subtopic of directed graph chapter 9 till the basic definitions, little bit about the directed graph. And directed graph is not the different from the graph. So this is the 9.4. What is the rooted tree? Okay, so what is the tree? You already know the tree if you read the data structure and uh, also little bit introduction in the discrete mathematics also. But in that topic tree you not read this what is the tree in not the briefly manner, but what is the rooted tree? So a connected graph without any cycle. Okay, without any cycle. Here you can see a connected graph without any cycle. A rooted tree is a tree graph with a designated vertex are called the rooted of the tree. Okay, since there is a unique simple path from the root R to any vertex B in T. Uh, let's see here. This determines a direction to the edge of T. Thus, T may be viewed as a directed graph. So, you already know what is the directed graph. So, here we note that any tree may be made into a rooted tree by simple selecting one of the vertices as the root. Okay, are you getting my point? So this is the root node. Okay, so this M is the left child and E is the right child. Okay, so and this is also the forward. So here the all the root node, if we consider this tree, then M here the root node, and if consider this E, then E, M and E, and this E is the rooted node. Okay, so here you can see all the tree and all the node and all the maybe rooted node. If you consider this, then this is the root node. Have two two and one two and one child. Okay, it may be possible this is the this right child and this is the left child. So as you read some basic terminology in this tree, let's consider here the length of the path from the root R to any vertices B is called the level. Okay, so see here what is the level of this tree. uh, Count from the 0 and to till the any and the leaf the tree. uh, Count this is the root, so this is the 0 and this is the 1 and this 4 the 3 level, this is 5, this the 6 and this 7. So the path and the level of this and depth of this tree, this one, the graph in the diagram of B is 7. Okay, so here you consider this 1 2 3 4. So this is called the length and level and depth of a tree. And the vertex minimum vertices level is called depth. Maximum, sorry, my mistake, as I already tell you, maximum. So here you can't 1 2 3 and 4, so this is the 4 is maximum, so here the maximum. Okay, those vertices with degree 1 other than root r are called the leaps. Okay, so and a directed path from a vertices to a leaf is called the branch. Okay, one usually draw a picture of tree T with the root at the top of the tree. uh, See in this, show a rooted tree T. So this is the rooted tree, consider this tree, this is the rooted tree, and with rooted R, this is the R, and 10 other vertices. The tree have 5 leaves, D, F, H, I, J. Observe the level A equal to 1 and F, this one, sorry, this one, this is the root R, and this is the what is the level of A, this one 1, and this, what is the level of this, then 2, this is what is the level of J, this is the, so count here 1 2 3, so here the 3, and also the depth of the tree is 3. So this is the some basic terminology of the rooted tree. So if this tree also called the binary tree. Why binary tree? Because not this one, B, part B. Okay, so why this is called binary tree? Because each and every node, okay, each and every node has a 0 1 and 2 child, not more than 2. That is why this is called the binary tree. Okay, and you can also say this is the complete binary tree. Okay, and this is not the binary tree because R has the three three child, so first condition is false and another condition also false, because here the each node is not have the by uh, 2 node and also less than it. So the first the root condition is also, and base condition is the false, so that is why this is not the complete binary tree as well as not a binary tree. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel if you like this lecture, and if you did not like this lecture, then please push the dislike button. If you like, then push the like button, and please must share this lecture to your friend, to your relative, whatever you think anyone this can help for anyone. So thank you.